Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make manual automatic contactor with switch and timer wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Triple pole MCB circuit breaker, timer, SPST switch, magnetic contactor and overload. First phase connection to MCB, second phase connection to MCB, third phase connection to MCB. Three phase connection output from MCB to connect magnetic contactor, phase connection to timer, another phase connection to timer another point. Output connection from contactor to connect overload, phase connection to contactor coil connection, output connection from timer to connect SPST switch middle point, output connection from timer to connect SPST switch first point, output connection from SPST switch to connect overload, another connection to timer, three phase connection from overload for load, earthing connection to load. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.